guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another cleaning video. I'm planning on doing a whole spring cleaning series here on my channel, so make sure you click that subscribe button if you guys love cleaning videos. I love cleaning videos. They've been just something that motivates me to clean, and I know a lot of you guys are home right now and probably trying to like organize and clean, so I'm hoping that this will be some motivation for you guys. Today on the agenda, I want to clean out the pantry and actually move the pantry. I'll show you guys that. Basically our pantry is like really deep, so stuff gets put in there and then we forget that we have it and it gets pushed to the back. So I want to actually flip-flop and put all of our like food and stuff in like cabinets that aren't so deep, and then put all of our like pots, pans, that kind of stuff in where the pantry is. So you guys will see that in this video. That is my goal. That's what I'm doing today. And on top of that, I'm also going to be cleaning our kitchen. So yeah, thumbs up if you guys like cleaning motivation. I hope that this helps you guys. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. And let's get into this clean / organize with me. So as you guys can see, the pantry is an absolute disaster and we really need to deal with it. It's just really deep and stuff gets pushed to the back. It's not a good pantry. So I ended up switching everything out and I moved all of our food to a cabinet, which you could actually see everything in, versus like this deep pantry that stuff just gets lost in. And I moved appliances and such over into the pantry. Now I did have to leave some of the food at the very top, like the cereal and the oatmeal. I need to go get like containers that can keep those things and actually fit in the cabinet, but because like the cereal box and the oatmeal container were too tall, they wouldn't fit where I was trying to put them. So that is a future project, but today we're just working with what we have. You guys will notice that my kitchen's not really organized. I really want to organize it and get rid of a lot of stuff. We have a lot of stuff that we're not even using, so we really just need to go through and get rid of it. But that's for a future project, future video. If you guys want to see that, let me know. But I just wanted to like let you guys know that when you're looking at like cabinets and such, they're not organized. It's a disaster. The cabinets are really deep too, like these bottom ones, and so stuff just gets pushed back there, and it's a disaster. I don't really like this kitchen space. I'm grateful that I have a kitchen, don't get me wrong, but I kind of wish the cabinets were not that deep because stuff just gets lost. You can't see it. I want to be able to see everything that I have when I open like cabinets and such, and so this kitchen is just not built for that. But we're making it work, and I'm just gonna take you guys along as I'm like going through and organizing stuff. You know, my kitchen's not perfect, my life's not perfect, and if you were looking for an aesthetically pleasing place, that this is not your channel for that, because I live in an apartment. I cannot change anything about this kitchen, and trust me, if I could, I would change a lot about this kitchen, but I can't, so I have to just make do with what I have for right now, and I'm super grateful that I even have a kitchen. So it's not the end of the world that it's not aesthetically pleasing, but if that is something that you're looking for, this is not your channel, because I can't change anything about this. So yeah, I'm just gonna let music play and you guys can watch me organize the pantry.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now.
Okay, it's not perfect. It is better. I like that I can see everything that I mainly use that will have an expiration date right now. And then I put like stuff here, but I like that I can see everything. Obviously, it's still not ideal. I wish we had an actual pantry and not these stupid cabinets, but I just have to make it work for right now. I like that I have these like most used appliances in here. I really like that. Let's see. I love that I can pretty much see everything when I open this. I can see what I have, so that way it won't go bad. Because when I went through this, there were so many things that were expired and barely used because we just can't see them. They just get like, they get put in the front and then they work their way back, and I really hate that. So I wish we had like a pantry that was like not as deep like this, where I could see everything. Obviously there's a lot of work that needs to be done. I want to get like organizing containers and stuff for both sides, but for now I feel like this looks a lot better. I love this because there's still a lot of space in the top for stuff, so I can actually bring some of that stuff back up if I wanted to. I'm gonna leave it right there for now because I feel like this is a decent setup. It's not great. All the lids are like right there, and then the containers are there. It's really not the best setup, but for right now, without like organizing containers, I feel like this is as good as it's gonna get for today. Also because I'm just tired, I did not realize like how much this was gonna take out of me. So yeah, I'm basically done organizing all of that. Please don't mind the mess in the background. There's just a lot to spring clean this year. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning the kitchen and wiping it down, sweeping and mopping the floors, that sort of thing. But as far as the organizing piece of it, I think we're good for today. Like I said, it's still not my favorite, but it is a lot better. I can at least see things. I know where things are. It's still not ideal, but we're making it work because at least for right now, we're here for another 11 months, I think. So for right now it works. I don't know, I'd love to like buy a separate like pantry, but again, I have no idea where it's gonna go because this is like James's area, which needs to be cleaned. So we could move this table, or we could get rid of it and put something there, but otherwise like there's not really, I guess we could like put something there. I don't know, we'll figure it out if we end up buying like a separate pantry. I just hate it because like some of this stuff cannot fit over there because it's not tall enough, but it's just too deep. I just don't like it being that deep. Like, what were they thinking? So anyway, I'm gonna get back to cleaning and get this kitchen clean so I can at least check something off of my to-do list today. So let's get into it.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we are cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, oh. Do you wanna come along with me? Gotta keep on running, grab the fight and live it life.
Alright guys, so that is it for this clean with me / organize the pantry video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button as well as that bell notification if you guys want to see more cleaning, organizing content. But that is it for today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Time